This is Sun Kin. Thank you. Hope you're having a good day today. Today is February 7th. I wanted to share my beer money and passive income information from January 2021, last month. Let's get started. Okay, so the first one that I want to mention is Swagbucks. I made a negative $165, and you might be wondering why I'm mentioning this is because January payments only show Swagbucks earnings from the month before. So you can see that in December I made 8,438 SB, and I also got a level 9 Ruby threshold bonus of 15,000. But that wasn't enough, unfortunately, for the Gambit game tokens, which I spent 490,000 and only got a reward of 450,000. There was one high-risk sports bet that I did, which didn't pan out, which was a mistake I made, and that caused the earnings on that to go down. But for the month of January, I have, I think, 24,000 Swagbucks coming in, so it's about $243. So I would most likely net about 80 for the month of January if we shifted some of the earnings. But from January 1 to January 30th, it's 31st, it would be negative $165. Cocoon Browser, web browser, is a company in California that collects, the websites that you visit, location data. They have it for Windows, Macs, and Android, and they go ahead and sell that data to someone else, advertisers, marketers, and then they share the profit from that with you. And so last month, for the month of January, I made $3.27, which is a combination, I think, of November and December. So not a big earner, and not something you're going to make a lot of money during COVID-19 for some reason. It was a lot better prior to the pandemic, so hopefully earnings on that will go up as advertisers want to spend more money on personal data. I also got cash back on spending just from our bank account. Some banks offer percentages back on purchases with certain vendors. And then I also am linked in with another mobile app called Pipay, P-E-I, that does shopping rebates. So you shop at certain places like Trader Joe's or Target, and they give you a certain percentage back. And so my cash back for that was $13.05. Express Crypto is an online faucet. It's an online wallet, and whatever earnings you do from faucets or surveys or tasks, some are hooked into this wallet service. And so my current balance there is worth about $15.91. I've done faucet claims and tasks over several months, so going forward I'll just go ahead and list the Satoshi value of the wallet, and then whatever earnings I make going forward, I'll just show you the difference going forward. And then SMS related products, if you have a mobile phone that has text capabilities, either to send or receive, you can earn with certain apps on Android. So for Control My SMS, you receive text, and I got 36 cents from that. SMS Profit is also another one that does receiving text, and I got $4.33 from that. And then SimCash, it will send texts for you, and I made $34.31 from that, so a total of $39 last month. Okay, and the next slide is $23.07 from watching videos. These are mostly passive videos. You can run them on your computer, Fire TV, etc. And whenever they play ads, you get a percentage of it back through the earnings in points, and then you transfer those points over to a service like Good Game to You, GG to You, and they will transfer the points into PayPal. And I have another video where I spun the wheel. They give you so many silver tokens per video points. I think it's every 2,000 video points, and then you spin it. You can get around an average of $1.60 per spin, and then transfer that to either Coinbase as crypto or PayPal. So Loot TV is a recent one. It's pretty much the same thing as Hideout TV. You just watch the videos and the ads show up. Loot TV requires that you have to have the screen up and in focus, whereas Hideout TV, you can have it running in the background, and you just have to check it every few hours and make sure that it's running. Mobile apps, I tried downloading Mobile Expression, and they had some early sign-up type bonuses, and it seems like you can have multiple phones and they are separate devices. So I got an Amazon $10 gift card and was able to redeem that in a matter of, I think, a day or two. And then I think going forward, the number of points you earn is not going to be as high. And Telefia is another one where you install the app and just let it run in the background. You can check it once a day, and once a week they will give you $1 a week. I think I have how many phones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 devices you can see in the back there that are running and checking Telefia. So it's about $7 a week for me. So for the month of January, I took out $26 in PayPal, so you have $36 for mobile apps there. And then I did recycling. I don't know if you can do recycling in your state, but I did number 2 plastic, glass, number 1 plastic, and aluminum cans. These are mostly from just our home consumption and what maybe people or family might give me because they know I recycle, and I just get cash for it, $34.49 for the month of January. And then FaucetPay is another wallet, micro wallet that you get from Faucet claims get put into the FaucetPay wallet, and it's currently at $49.18. Took a few months to gather that. Going forward, again, I will just tell you what the difference is in terms of earnings. I doubt I will be doing as much because I've been busy lately, but that's what the value in there is now. Quora partner program. You ask questions on Quora. If they show ads on your questions, you get a portion of it. I've been doing it for several months, so it does build up over time. So if you can ask 10 questions a day, every day, your earnings will go up. And for the month of January, I earned $51.42. Interest and dividends. I realize not everyone will have savings, but it's another form of passive income, and there's the various companies that I have crypto or money in that are paying out dividends or interest from the account. Obviously, interest from bank accounts don't pay well, so I would look into other ways if you have some money you want to hold short term and not lose value on it. And the next one is Coinpot. they are a Faucet claim and micro wallet that said that they were going out of business. I invested 3,000 worth of Bitcoin many months ago, and they were offering, I think, 54% APR on their internal token called Coinpot tokens. So I did withdraw. I was able to withdraw about 70% of my stash there, and that came out to $3,224.84. The net was $224.84 is what I earned. I have another pending withdrawal of 0.03 Bitcoin, but it's been 3 weeks now, and I don't think that I'll be getting that. So unless Coinpot actually gives me that crypto, it's likely an exit scam, and my last withdrawal request will not be honored or processed, and it's been happening to a lot of other people. So I would be very careful with any time you invest in these kind of crypto services that, you know, say you will earn a lot. 54% is kind of up there, and there's other services that offer more. So if they offer more, it's most likely a scam. This was kind of in the middle there, so I did take a risk. I didn't lose money, but you know, the earnings that I would have actually made had I gotten everything back would have been better. So it's just a word of caution to those that are looking into these kinds of speculative investments. So gross total comes out to $3,621.96 for the month of January. If you take into consider my expenses, which was $3,000 for the Coinpot investment in Bitcoin, and then I have 2 lines that I'm paying for, specifically for Beer Money apps, which is the SMS and the Telefia, which comes out to $1,766. So the expense is $3,017.66. And so my net earnings for the month of January 2021 is $604.30. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and I'll put up more videos in the future. If you have comments, please write them below and let me know what you think of the slides. Should I include more? Should I take some things out? Should I break things out more details about any of the services? So you let me know, and based on that, I will create videos to help you earn money. You know, I know a lot of you may be out of jobs or looking for kind of a side hustle to supplement. You know, we call it beer money, but maybe it's not beer money for you. Maybe it's, you know, a way to pay, put food on the table, pay for groceries, or do anything else. So I'd like to help you out as much as you know, you're helping me out. Again, until next time, talk to you later. Bye.